Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. If your gas gauge is stuck on empty, most likely you have a bad fuel sending unit, a bad float, or you have electrical issue. The most likely problem is going to be caused by a bad fuel sending unit. So make sure to remove the fuel pump to inspect it. For some vehicle, you're going to need a lock ring tool to remove the fuel pump. Next, disconnect the electrical connection on the fuel pump and also make sure to disconnect the fuel line using a special tool. Once that is out, go ahead and remove the fuel pump. Be mindful when removing the fuel pump because you do not want to damage the float or the sending unit. You see that part I'm pointing to? Well, that's the fuel sending unit. That part tends to get rusted. So you're going to inspect that part. Next, you're going to make sure that the rod is moving freely up and down. You see those little lines on the fuel sending unit? That is going to tell you your gas level. So when the float is all the way at the top, your gas is going to be at full. And when the float is at the bottom, your gas is going to be at low. When those lines on the fuel sending unit start to become rusted or corroded, it can throw fuel level reading off. To fix the issue, first use WD-40 and spray it on the fuel sending unit at those little lines. Next, get a Q-tip and gently brush those little lines. You're going to remove rust or corrosion depending on the materials the little lines are made. I have seen some aftermarket fuel sending unit corrode or rust in a very short period of time. When you're done, go ahead and install the fuel pump and make sure all connection and fuel lines are tight. Next, start your engine and check fuel level. Make sure it is accurate and make sure it is not stuck on empty. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.